baseball. More Threads baseball. So we'll go with Threads baseball, new Topps Chrome of football, and then we'll finish with 5-star baseball. So you've got minis 1 and 2. Minis 3 and 4. And minis 5 and 6 from the inner case that we started sometime last week, I think. Good luck, guys. Mini box 1. Mini box number 1. Got number to 250, Mets, Mike Piazza. Number to 354, Will Myers, Padres. Base, Corey Kluber, Indians. Got a Craig Kimbrell, base for the Padres. Got a Anthony Rendon, base for the Washington Nationals. Got a auto, number 275. Auto relic to 75. Looks like it's an auto bat relic. Reimer, Liriano. For the Padres, Reimer, Liriano. Next one is a jumbo jersey to 18. Boston's Tazawa. Junichi Tazawa. Tazawa for the Red Sox. Mini box number 2. Number 2. Got a number to 125, Stan Musial, Cardinals. Got a 354, Hank Aaron for the Braves. Got a Alex Gordon for the Royals. Alex Gonzalez for the Dodgers. Got a Evan Longoria, Tampa Bay. Got a autographed bat, numbered, there you go, that's kind of cool, numbered 101. Autographed bat, numbered 1 of 1. For the Cubbies, Mark Grace. 101 auto bat, Mark Grace. Mark Grace, 101 for the Cubs. Mark Grace. Number 218 for the Pirates, Andrew McCutchens. McCutchens for the Pirates, 18. Number 3. Got a number 125, Michael Brantley, Cleveland. Got a 354, Whitey Ford, the Yanks. Base, Wade Boggs, Tampa Bay. Got a base, Encarnacion for the Blue Jays. Got a David Peralta, Diamondbacks. Auto relic to 99. The Giants, Brandon Belt. Brandon Belt for the Giants. And a triple relic numbered to 27. Triple relic to 27. The Lone Star, Adrian Beltre, Prince Fielder, Sin Shu Chu. For the Texas Rangers. Finishing out mini box number 3. Give me just another quick second. Mini box number 4. Mini box number 4. Dodgers to 25. Clayton Kershaw. Kershaw for the Dodgers. Got a Mariano 354 for the Yanks. Base Francisco Lindor, Cleveland. Got a Devin Misraka, Reds. Got a Nolan Ryan for the Rangers. Autographed pinstripe to 75. Yankees, Jose Pirelli. Pirelli for the Yanks, pinstriped. Got number 236. Number 236. Red Sox. Xander Bogaerts. Number 236. Xander Bogaerts. Mini box number 5. Yanks to 99, Mariano. Got a 250, Jose Bautista. Jose Abreu, White Sox. Got a Polanco for the Pirates. Got a Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks. Auto relic numbered to 9. Auto relic to 9. St. Louis Cardinals, Matt Carpenter. Matt Carpenter for the St. Louis Cardinals. Auto relic numbered to 9. Jumbo jersey numbered to 36. Got the Braves, Craig Kimbrell. Craig Kimbrell. Steph Curry just does not miss in the background. Craig Kimbrell for the Braves. Number 6. Box 6. Mini box number 6. And we'll move on to Top Chrome Football. Any Tigers? We have not seen any Tigers yet. Have not. Yanks, Derek Jeter, 250. Roger Clemens for the Red Sox, 354. Joey Gallo, Texas. Got Ted Williams, Boston. Got Dave Winfield, Padres. And your last 2 hits. The Reds baseball tonight. Number 2 at 99. The Blue Jays, Aaron Sanchez. Aaron Sanchez, auto relic for the Blue Jays. And a jumbo jersey, number 27. Cincinnati Reds, big lefty, Jay Bruce. Jay Bruce. For the Reds, finishing Threads baseball tonight.